Kumukulo na. With egg. It's yummy, yummy. Tignan natin ang egg. It's yummy, yummy egg. Yehey, yummy. Wow, yummy. Yummy, yummy. Kaya kayo guys, kung nagustuhan nyo ang luto ko, gawin nyo din to. Ulam ng anak nyo. Masarap po to, masustansya. Okay.